Wow! Mwah. It feels like it's been a while, even though it's technically not been a while. But yeah, we're doing some more changes. There's a few cleanup things that I need to take care of. But after that, I should be starting with the actual RPG maker side of things and not the code side of things. One code thing I need to fix is that I added text to want to center things, but that's not currently being implemented, so I need to fix that. So right now I'm just creating a thing for centering text. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. And I'm not sure if there's anything else I need to do, like pressing wise. I think I could just continue actually eventing and mapping and shit like that after I do that. I just have to remember exactly. Let's see, start message. I think it's create text state that I need to worry about. Uh... To create the text state, it sets everything up. Start X is text state.x. Oh, I think it's based on the X thing. Oh, wow! What's up? Little sippy? I'll take a little sippy. Alright, where does create text state come in? It's draw text X, text size X, and start message. Okay. I think it's a... text state.startX. Custom win. Okay. I think what I need to do. Flush text state. I think flush text state is what I need to fix. So that happens when I process the text, process an individual character, or update a message. Okay. I think this is it. I think what I need to do is, if text state is equal to 0 and alignment is center, then you just push it over. I think that is what I need to do. Let's try that and see if it works. Alias. Yo, what is up? So if text state dot x is equal to 0 and game message dot is center. Now we just need to do a bit of math to figure out where the X starting position would need to be in order to center the text. Which would be... what are we doing? I'm currently trying to make the center work. So I'm making custom code right now so that the text alignment will be centered here. And then after that, I'm actually going to start the Nemesis system for Subject X, I think. I'm going to go through the game and make sure there's no issues from start to finish. And if that's good, I'm going to continue the Nemesis system after I finish this text centering. Okay, that should be good. And then we just alias dot apply this arguments. I think that will technically work. Let's see. Does it work? Please center. It didn't center. Hold on. Shit's fucked. Oh no! I'm gonna add this just for debugging reasons. Also, did Clorbus talk to you? Who the fuck? I offhand don't even know who that is. So I guess the answer is no. Is this like someone that was supposed to like DM me at some point? Let me make sure I'm not like missing a message somewhere. Oh, I have a friend request from someone named Clorbus. Oh, I think I have to accept it for them to DM. No, my DMs are open. Okay, he sent me a friend request. Ah. Yes, everyone knows coding stuff for streams. Okay, I'll see what he says. I accepted his friend request. Okay. Let me clear this out. Alright. Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait. I know a better way to do it. Okay, so the X was equal to 8, not 0. So I need to make it so that the text is empty. So if... And it's buffer, right? No, text. Text ain't that text. So if there's no text and we are centering it, then we center it. Maybe that fixes it. Maybe that works. Oh, it didn't. New X0? Wait, what? Okay. It detected that it's centered, but didn't center it. Console.log this.contents with. Okay, let me see what these two numbers are. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Wait, what? Oh. Okay. So, we need text width of the text, not the buffer. Why is contents with 0? That doesn't make sense to me. Hey, why are there times where it just says this inner width instead of using the contents width? Window scrollable overall width. Max scroll. Yeah, why is it using this side? Do I just use this for inner width instead? Okay. Still says 0, 0? Oh, right. Because text8.text would be 0. Hold on. Hold on. Uh... Hmm. Weird. What the fuck? Okay. What do I use to actually set the size of the window? Set background type. Calculate text height. Start message. New page. Oh, it's because it's being flushed. At what point does this get called? Hold on. Console.log new page. Trying to figure out the order that these events are being triggered is the problem. Alright. I'm gonna clear this, put this to the side. Alright, let me see what we got. So it's new page. It shows the text. Then it flushes. Okay, let me see everything that happens to text date between there and there. So let's take a look at new page. Where is that being called from? And this is window message new page. So start message and update message. So when we start the message, it pulls up the new page. So it creates a new text state, creates a new page. Inbox window that starts. Okay, where does this text state get modified at? So it's created on start message. It checks if it exists there. So it's created at start message. It's passed into new page. And then on update message. What should break here? Can break here. It's waiting. What? This is all Ghibli-gook to me. It's like, at first I thought, I was like, I understand it. Then I thought about it, I was like, I don't understand this. I need like a pen to flick with my hand while I'm thinking. Alright, drawing tablet pen, go! Alright, if indetect these pads, this is if it should show fast. It processes the characters, so like 1 tick if it's normal and 2 ticks if it's fast. I think. If shift fast is best. If waiting is true. What characters are these? Hold on. Google time. What are you? Alright, Unicode. That's not making any sense. Oh, this is if it's any Unicode character from here to here. Oh, I am looking at the wrong goddamn place. Uh, 20 is the character space. So that's a white space. Oh, it doesn't want to break if there's a white space, I think. That's why it says. Okay. It's a bit weird. Saying that if it's any of these characters, return false. Or if it's a white space, return false. Huh. Okay, let me double check what we got. So this is what it looks like here, and if we flush the text space, it no longer has the shit. New line? Process new line. Window base dot process new line with text state. Oh, wait, hold on. There's a higher up. Window base dot process new line. This is what we need. Fuck this. So we're going to say alias dot apply this arguments. Then if game message dot is center then start X should be set here. I know there's some custom calculation that makes me want to put this out of that area. So is center. If it is, console.log and we'll remove the other console logs. Actually, I think it was just this. Actually, no, there was a thing here. Alright. Let's see if it works. You would think it'd be simple, but alias is not defined. Oh, right. Try that again. Sometimes you just fuck up and you're just like, okay, let me fix my fuck up. Okay, it's definitely doing something. Me for real, no cap. It's the code is telling me that the starting pixel should be -1. What? Okay. Console.log this.inner width and the text width of the text date. Okay, I see two issues with that. One, it needs to be the line's text date, not to the, whatever the fuck. Anyway. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna clear the console and then continue. Okay, according to this, weird. It says that the width of the area is 336. Let me figure out which one's wrong, and I'm going to do that manually. Let me get a snipping. That doesn't look like 700. That looks like 300. I know if I copy it and then put it into Paint, it'll tell me the pixels. I can always rely on good old Paint. 312, 330. Yep, it is 300 and some. So why is it saying that the width of the text is 700? Is process new line being put somewhere else? Not that I can see. I'm just going to see the entirety of that and start this over. Blah, ba, 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 da, da, da. Okay. Wait, it's saying process new line, but it's the first... What line is it supposed to be? Oh, there's an index. Okay. So, let text is equal to text state.slice at this index. Then we dot split there and take the first. Okay. So now we need it on that text. I have too many things open. Let me close a few things. I have so many calculators open. 1 second. Windows, close, close, close you, close you, close you. Mod manager, go away. There we go. When your fucking icons just, like, overflow everything. Okay. We also have to put something like this at when we start a new line or start a new page. But right now, 1 second. I'm going to make sure that the width of these are correct. So go to paint. So let me make sure that the 4 is actually about 50 pixels. It's 90 pixels. And this one says it's 120, but it's actually about... One second. Text that width. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure. Jeff! What is up, motherfuckers? Hello, everybody! My name is Dr. Joseph Jorgen, Yandere Science Lit, and I am currently working on and creating an RPGmaker game based on my character's lore. What is up? I know you're playing Minecraft because I was like lurking in before I started my stream. But hello! How's everything doing? I can give like a quick demo of my game up until I hit a bug. I know I'm going to hit a bug at some point, but I'll give y'all, now that people are joining, I'm going to give y'all a quick demo of my game. 1 second. Buff Jade. And I hope you're doing pretty well. I hope you had a swole day, I guess. So I'll go ahead and start like a demo of the game now that I have new people here. So, this game is called Waifu Corp. It is an RPG horror puzzle game in which you are a intern at my lab and horror happens, basically. So let me give you a quick demo. Oh wait, I have to close this. Go away. I'm doing a lot of custom code to make this game as well. So you're gonna see things that are definitely my fault. Here it is, my hopeful future. Jorgenheim Labs, a company founded by one of the world's most brilliant scientists, Dr. Joseph Jorgen. Their work on cloning technology and synthetic life has made headway on many academic research papers. And here I am, a whole ass hour early for my job interview. Like that. Oh, every character has their own unique text effects. So the typing noise is like Banjo-Kazooie style, unique to each character. I had to do something basic for the main character and then something interesting for the rest. But also, waiting in the lobby is going to wreck my nerves. Alright, let's go ahead and talk to the pigeon. This bird seems chill. It didn't fly away when I approached it. Maybe it's used to people. Chirp, chirp. Yeah, you know, just normal things. The horrors done inside cannot be undone. Guy Run, have an awesome stream. You have an awesome day, and I hope you do well. Have a good, relaxing day. The horrors done inside cannot be undone. Humans must live with what they've wrought. Did you just talk, little bird? No, chirp, chirp. Yeah, just chirp, chirp. Just a normal chill bird on a bench. Business, business, business. Excuse me, do you work here? Business, business, hold on, business. I'm on the phone with business. Do you mind? The business won't business itself. Sorry about that. Do you work here? This place? No, I work next door at Business Biz Inc. I just take calls out here because nobody usually interrupts me. You mean employees mind their business? No, I just never see anyone go in or out. I wonder if they even do business here. Now, if you excuse me, business biz waits for no business. I'm probably going to put some other random NPCs out here, just to, like, have random conversations too, but right now it's just man on phone and pigeon before you enter the building. You got some magazines on a table. And there's like a kind of a click and point thing where you actually have to use the mouse and click things. Time Magazine, a magazine that tells the time. At least it's right twice a day. This magazine boasts the beauty of women created here in this facility. Roman numerals for dummies. And this is like the thing I was working on now. My ability to center text is kind of fucked. So I'm still working on that. So the fact that this looks a little off, don't worry about it. That's what I'm currently working on fixing. Hello there. Are you here for an appointment? I have a job interview at 11. I'm a little early. My name is Jeremy Chat. I see. Please wait. Let's go ahead and take a look at the vending machine. Let's grab the... Let's take a look at the gun. Is that a gun? I can't afford it. You know, when you go into a place and there's a gun in the vending machine, it's, you know, it's fine. Is that a heart? Is it human? Well, it did charge me and freeze free. 1 human heart in the inventory. I need to fix the window so that it's... I kind of want the window to be a bit bigger than this. But we'll work on that. I also needed... Like, it's kind of clipping off to the side. But if you click here... Oh! Okay, I found a bug. Let me just speedrun this. Something I'm gonna have to fix. Okay, hold on. Yeah, there's not really anything I could do here. Looks like I need a key card to go in. Yep, let's back out. I'm gonna get an actual snack. Let's grab some crock piss. Taste the gator. And I've learned that clicking this will crash the game, so I will not click that. But theoretically, you should be able to drag items to things. Hello, this is Iguana at the front desk. Wait, how serious are we talking? I'm away now. Do not touch anything else, Dr. Jorgen. I wonder what that was about. Warning. Lockdown initiated. Well, I need to fix the text for that, but that's fine. Okay, let's grab the key card. And, of course, your keyboard has to have the any key, as well as ease. Now, this is the password for the key card. Mary did like extra pickles. So if you come over here to the magazines, Mary, 1000, did 500, like 50, extra, that turns it to 60, and then pickles is 1. So 1561. Oh yeah. Ah! I can't actually continue from here because of the... I have to click that in the item. Ah! Okay, sprite.from icon is not a function. What? Yes, the fuck it is? Sprite.from icon. What? I could have sworn that was a thing. Close others. That should be in my core script, right? Oh, right. I just created, right. New. Sprite. Icon. Icon index. That's right, I just changed how I do it. It's its own type of class now. That's what was wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna put my starting character here. Just so I can skip the intro. Even though it's only like 30 seconds, I feel like skipping it anyway. Okay, let's add something to my inventory real quick. Okay. That works now, so if I could try to click things, but it doesn't work on any of these locations, it's just a default. When you're done with this conversation, it just starts a timer for when bad things happen. Actually, wait. I eventually need to get rid of this entire menu. I just reminded myself of something. INC Center Auto. Oh, that's right. It's because I need to actually put default. Hold up. Where do I have an example? I think this guy does. Black gold. Oh, here we go. Text font default. I think that'll fix that issue. It should. Let me make sure I have everything else set. Okay, this looks good. ID chat, yeah, okay. Okay, I'll just continue until I find something that doesn't work. But it looks like we're fine for now. I'm just gonna wait here until the timer runs out. Gordon looks so happy behind the desk. She's like, ba 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 ba. Alright, count. Okay. Oh. Yep. I need to scan the card. 1561. Poor dude, right? What the fuck? There's no taking the elevator. I should find some stairs. I can't go back. Actually, I really should do something about that alarm. It's... I think as soon as you exit the room, it should turn off the alarm. Because it's really hard to think. Either that or I need to turn down the volume. Alright. Alright. Weird, the keycard doesn't let me back out. Seems like a fire hazard. Yes, it does. Poor guy. Who parked these forklifts like this? They should lose their certification. I didn't give any reason for not exploring in certain areas. Yep. Nope. Fuck that. I did not do shit to fix this scene. Okay, hold up. I have to fix this scene. Ah. Oh, right! I need to actually, okay. I need to create a window and text for my character, Jojo. Oh, and I also made this, earlier today. Which is nice. I'm gonna put this to the side. Because I am proud of that piece. Okay, hold on. Let me... So if you go to Waifu Corp... Just, window, yeah. Alright. Alright, what kind of design should we do for the window border here? I'm gonna, like, go ahead and look up some of this for, like, inspiration. Okay, something like this might not be the worst. Actually, no, that... I don't... Not on the pixel scale I'm using. That'd have to be a finer pixel scale to make something like that look good. Ooh, I do kind of like the look of that. Border cursors only. Oh, that's like a Windows thing. Oh, wait a second. What if I did... Hold on. If I did... I mean, I've got the space to do it. What the fuck? No, continuous, please. Oh, actually, what am I doing? All in. There we go. I have to remember to create a new one before actually making the edits. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. Da, 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 da. What should I do here? I feel like I should do something different. Uh, 12 by 12. That's the only thing I need to worry about. Sprite size, let's do 6 by 6. And then double it, and then we'll just... What if I did that for all the arrows? And then we just delete these. Alright. color text looks good on this. Actually, I could probably go for like a black text. Maybe like if I did like an A like this. And then just... Or I could do an A like this. I think I kind of like this one better. Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. File, export as. Window box styles. Window. Dr. Jojo. Export. Canvas size, we'll make this 50 by 50. Alright. I want to do like a good base. No. Are you serious? M. We'll do inside. I don't know if I did outside. I think the big thing is that it feels a little thick. So maybe if I remove the thickness by 1 and then we'll just do this. Looks fine. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. What is background color in this case? Okay. That did not at all answer my question. Ba-ba. I'm gonna close you. I don't need you anymore. Still working on that. Just make sure that all the windows open are actually prevalent to what I'm working on. So E. F. Wait. Oh, I didn't, that's fine. I'm actually gonna do... You know what? I'm just gonna do a full inside color. So after doing this, I'm also gonna make the inside. Actually, the way I should do that is probably just make the inner stroke 2 and the outer stroke 1. That'll give it probably better rhyme and reason. Okay, we're at H. Yeah, I think as long as it doesn't, like, cross over to the next grid space, I think it's fine. Just J. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, this is so much fucking work. Mm-mm-mm. Ba 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 da da. I mean, to be fair, I kind of signed up for this when I decided to make everything custom. So, I have no one to blame but myself. Actually, I think I could leave that there. Oh, wait, that's you. I was like, I feel like I've done O before. And I have. Oh, that is atrocious. I think this one I'm going to have to just draw. There's the A. I'm going to keep this as a copy. B. C. D. E. F. G. Alright. We're kind of on a roll now. This is going a lot quicker. H. I Oh, did I delete? Give me a second. Why is it deleting everything? Including the other layer. Okay. Actually, this should probably go down a bit. Okay. L. What the fuck? A sprite? What the fuck? I am unable to draw. What the fuck? I have not seen that bug before. Holy shit. File. Open recent. Text chat. M N. Oh, it's pretty easy. What's the lowest I win? I think it's like 3 pixels, but let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's 4 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lowercase r's in pixel form feel weird sometimes. to get correct. I think I'll just... Alright, that's T. U. Flip this and harden the edges to make it more Z-like. Alright! Now we just take all these. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, did I not outline anything other than the A? File. Export sprite sheet, trim sprite. There we go. We have the first wave. We'll just need to quickly do special characters. Let me find... Okay. going to do something similar, except for numbers. Going to take the classic, basically the 8-segment layout. So for 0, one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. It kind of looks like a 9 slice or 8 slice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 segment, I think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 segment. Alright, there's the question mark. Comma. Colon. Semicolon. Which makes me think I should probably put the colon like that. So that semicolon is like that. What do you... Yeah, 4 pixels seems fine. Oh, this is like one of the worst. I hate doing the @ symbol. Especially when I don't even know if it's going to ever be used. $. This should probably be just like the slash, except with some dots here. Which means I probably need a little extra space. There, percent. I'm not even bothering. Plus pipe apostrophe square brace opposite square brace. Wait, I already did a plus sign. Or is that an asterisk? That's an asterisk, actually. This is the plus sign. So the only difference is really where it's positioned. Wait, why did it not... Weird. Okay. Export sprite sheet. And look at that. It's beautiful. Textiles. Dr. Jojo. Export. Alright. Time to see what it looks like in action and if I need to adjust anything. Jojo. And then for text... And I think, scale 2 is fine. We'll see if scale 2 is fine. Oh wait, I canceled. Shit. No. It's fine. It's not like I did too much work. White space size 6. Default scale 2. Okay. 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 Apply. And then I'm gonna place myself here. Alright, time to see if that fixed things. The text is a bit small. Yeah, let me... Yeah, first impression. Text is too small. Let's make it like... Actually, I think 4 is probably fine. It's not like it's like a big text like I did with the Angel Wish stuff. It's okay, Subject X. Put the man down. Okay. So, okay, it's halfway into the thing that... Okay. Not again. And alive. I should have specified alive. Oh, sir, your 11 o'clock is here. Oh, perfect. Send him... Wait. This isn't the time for appointments. Sorry, sir. We'll have to reschedule. Actually, wait. I may have an idea. You survive, you might get the job. Did you just get stuck? Okay, there's a few issues I saw even before that. Bottom. These should all say bottom to prevent, kind of overlapping. Do that. Oh, and then the not again thing. ID default. Because it's a default ass bitch. Not. Again. Okay, the window skin is not default. And alive. I should have specified alive. Oh, sorry, your 11 o'clock's here. Oh, perfect. Send him... Wait. This isn't time for appointments. Sorry, sir. We'll have to reschedule. Actually, wait. I have an idea. If you survive, you might get the job. Sorry for the inconvenience. And then she gracefully walks away. What am I supposed to do? Wait. Are you part of the synthetic life program? Did Dr. Jurgen succeed in creating new life forms? Oh, I need to make a text for... I don't have a text thing for her. What am I? Who am I? Why do I feel pain? I have a feeling I should be running now. Yeah, that is where I'll insert some sort of animation of you dying. But for now, it's just, game over. Okay, let's copy a text matrix. Close this. We'll go ahead and make a new thing for her. It should be something... What kind of font should I do? It needs to be something intimidating, but still... Sub X. I'll do this as the default array. File, new, let's make it big. Way bigger than I need it to be, but I did say make it big. Usabi, what is up? Oh, that is a terrible looking font. What is up? I am Dr. Joseph Yokin, Yandere Science Village, and I am currently working on game assets for my game. Because I am a sadist, apparently, I decided to make custom text and windows for every individual character in addition to their unique typing sound. So I have to like personalize every character, and I'm currently working on Subject X. Because right now I have a few personalizations. Like right now this is Dr. Jojo. Yeah. You get choked. That's what I do for Igorna. I'll skip some of that. Oh, that's sorry for the inconveniences in the wrong position. Let me fix that. But now I need to figure out, like, you see how I have a custom font and custom window for the main character? I need to do that for her. So, alright. That's what I'm working on now. Let's see if I can get a good base. Would this even look good? Wait, maybe if I increase the font size. Hold on. And I guess also added spaces. What the fuck? Font? What the fuck? A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I. I'm not sure if that looks the best. K, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z. And I guess the lowercase is just slightly smaller. Also, it cut off the first letter. I don't know what is up with that. Wait, this is lowercase. I need capital. I need to remember whenever my caps lock is on or not. But because it's double the size, it would be a bit lesser on the scale thing. But I think that's fine. Now, we would just have to adjust. Actually, sprite, preference, background, we'll say 32 by 32. That'll give me an idea of where I need to place it on the thing. Otherwise, I might kind of fuck up. Actually, height is a determination. that's about where the bottom would be. There we go. I can see that there's individual pixels that kind of got lost, but I think it's fine. It's not really too noticeable. All right. I'm gonna get it like somewhat approximated. C D E F G H I J K L M N O Q R S T What? X? Why did it cancel? What the fuck? I am literally just typing. X, Y. Actually, I'll say W, X, Y, Z. And the reason for that is so that I can align like that. Perfect. I think that C is a good indication of where the bottom should be. Alright, looking good. Alright. Gross, the alphabet. I know! Disgusting, right? Imagine spelling and shit. Yeah, I saw that Spaceballs 2 got announced. I'm like, what the fuck? And people were like roasting, discussing films, what they said, even though it wasn't technically wrong, it's just badly worded. Did you see that? Wait, just... 1 second. I think I was discussing film. Okay, yeah. People were like, and, oh, it's even been community noted. it talked about, okay, first of all, this very first statement is the most pog thing I've read in a while. Wait, where'd my model go? Wait, has my model not been up? Wait, did VTuber Studio fucking crash? And I didn't notice it? Thought it was intentional. No, it's not! It must have crashed and I didn't notice or some shit. Hold up. Ah. Okay, yeah, but as I was saying, this first part of the sentence is the most hype thing I've read in a while. Because I fucking love Rick Moranis. And coming out of retirement, after however fucking long it's been, goddamn. I miss you, boy. But it says here, Bill Pullman will return as President Scrooge. The thing is, that sentence isn't wrong, but it's misleading. Because it's he is returning, but as President Scrooge. He didn't play President Scrooge, but he's returning, full stop, but as President Scrooge. And then people are like, oh no, don't remind me! Speaking of boys I miss, goddamn. Hope Mel Brooks also. Dude is like 90 something. He is not. There's a reason why he's passing the role to Bill Pullman. Wait, how old is Mel Brooks? He's got to be in his mid to late 90s. Mel Brooks. Yeah, I know, right? How old is he? Oh, he's 98. God damn. And this comes out in 2 years, which means he'll be 100 on release. If he makes it to then. God, Mel Brooks is a trooper. Living as long as he says. Yeah, but the thing is, Bill Pullman played Lone Star in the first movie. But he's returning as President Scrooge. But, like, some people are like, Mel Brooks played President Scrooge in Yogurt. Oh, who's gonna play Yogurt? Bill Pullman has been confirmed to rise. Wait, so Bill Pullman is playing both Lone Star and President Scroob? Oh, we're gonna have to see some shit. I'm gonna have to see how this is gonna... Like, there is shit that I need to see. Yeah. By the way, that first comment you said, it's like... it's like, okay, yeah. I hate when people's definition of woke is respecting people and not, like, shoving morals. It's like, oh, this movie, it wasn't homophobic, it's woke. Okay. Yeah, no, it's so weird. Oh. This font has no numbers. Okay. So the exclamation part is under the K. Followed by the question mark. What symbols do I need other than that? I think I can get by with that. Actually, I might need quotation marks. So, under the R, where I can put an apostrophe. And then after that, I can put quotations. Let's see if I can figure out what color I want this to be. I think that might be fine-ish. Depending on what I make the background color. Probably something dark. Yeah, that looks intimidating enough. Trim? Alright, canvas size. Let's expand this a little. Import as sprite sheet. There's 26 of these and 3 rows. Wait, why did the text drop? Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, I see why the text drops. I need... plus 32 here. Then... import sprite sheet. What? It's still doing it? Import sprite sheet. Height 64. Rows 3. Okay, that fixed it. It took a little nudging, but that fixed. That being said... do I want to add... something like that? I could make it the other way around. I could... do that, and then... use that as the back color. Okay. I think that's going to be the best. Export sprite sheet. Trim sprite. What does extrude mean? Alright. I think Puppo needs to pee, so I'm gonna go let him out real quick. I'll be right back. He's giving me that. Please let me pee. Alright, I will let you pee. Come on. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let me go ahead and export this motherfucker. Textiles. Subject. Actually, I need to name it based on what it's actually... Another danger, that's what it's called. Alright, textiles. Alright, text skin is another danger. We'll do 3. Which means it'll be pretty big compared to everyone else, but I think that's fine. Now, it's a question of how goes the struggle? The struggle goes. We are working on it. Bork, bork. I know, bork, bork, baby. Yeah. They're gonna be hearing some borking for a bit. My dog is, he do be the borks. Alright. System. Bork, bork. Man, you're really borking today. Alright. So I know... Well, continuous isn't even on. Okay. Baby. I know. Is there people you want to play with outside? You want to play outside? I know, I love you. My dogger just wants to play. Actually. Is it that? Okay, it is. I'm gonna do this just to make it a different color for the sake of the paint bucket. And then I'm gonna do this. One, two, three, 4. Okay, so these are 4s. Yeah, with the 12 pixel thing, I could either do it in 3s or 4s, and this one is in 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of a candy cane kind of look, but this might be good. Export as. Subject X. Alright. Now we just input it here. And now we're gonna see how this looks in game. Not again. Okay, you look good. Okay. Overall, it looks good. It's kind of clipping into the Windows skin. Also, the Auto 7 should say Auto E7. Auto E7. This one I'll just say auto and then middle. So I think it being suddenly in the center might ba 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 da. Alright. I really like how I make it so the Jojo dips quickly and Nagorna is like politely. It's like I apologize for the inconvenience. Walks calmly. Okay, that looks fine. Oh, I need to fix that. Let me see here. Yeah, this thing. It is at 410. So if I go over here. Actually, no, I need to go here. Tile adjustments. Floating. It should be a height of 3, I think. Yeah, I think 3 is the correct. And tile ID is... Hold on. It's at 410, so 10 times 8 plus 4 should be 84? I think. I wish there was an easy way to get the tile ID. Like, if I were to click here, it should tell me the tile ID of what I'm clicking. Actually, wait. Did I... I'm noticing that there's 2 of these. Okay, I guess it's that one I need. Or is that 7.4? So 7 times 8. Actually, no, it's 4 times 8, then plus 7, 39. There's still like other... There's like a floating one there. Wait. That was weird looking. Why didn't it, I should be below characters. Weird. Don't know why that changed. Oh, I don't have a direction fix on that guy? One second. While it's on my mind. Direction fix. That was embarrassing. Coro. What? Baby. Baby, you won't. I love you. My dog is wanting mega attention right now. Give me a second. Baby. Nom, 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 nom. Give me some lovin'. Give me some puppy lovin'. Yes, yes. Yeah, it rained right when I was going to take him to the PARK. So I wasn't able to play with him there. So he's probably a little uptight. So because of that, I'm probably going to end the stream early because he really, really, really needs my attention. So let's see who to drop in on. And I'm going to work more on this. Like every time I say I'm going to work more over the next week, I don't actually mean it. I know I'm not streaming this next time because I'm going to be on a plane Thursday to get to Offkai. So it's probably going to be 2 weeks before I stream this. What the fuck is that? Kai's? What the fuck is Kai even streaming? Is he just reacting to something? He probably is. Plane. Yes, plane! I can't wait for Offkai. Last year was fun as fuck. So, I'm hoping... And we're going to be in a bigger area this time. So, let's drop it on Wishy. I like Wishy. Why did the exclamation point raid not say anything? Raid? It's stuck somehow? Okay, well, we'll just copy paste. Wait, why did... Oh, Lillian changed it to the eyes on his thing. Okay, that's why. That's fine. So, I'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.